I'm getting started on dinner. I'm making a beef stew in the Dutch oven, and I'm going to tag the creator below. I'm following her recipe. The only difference is I'm adding in a little bit of cinnamon. I love to add cinnamon to my stews. It just adds such a nice flavor component. I'm not going to record all the steps. I'm adding in all the seasoning, a little bit of flour. I'm going to toss this, and then I'm going to sear the meat on all sides until it's browned. The meat is in the pot. I'm going to cover it with a lid and cook it low and slow for an hour and a half. Then when we come back, we're going to put in potatoes and carrots. The stew is ready. The meat is literally falling apart. Look at that. Woo! The meat is falling apart. Very good. Let's try the potato. Yummy.